Hi. My God, I thought I'll never be able to log in. Hi.
You have logged in and it is a bright sunny morning in New York City.
क्या हाल है आपका?
मैं तो ठीक हूँ. आपके चेहरे पे जितनी मुस्कुराहट है उससे पूरा भारत मुस्कुराने लगेगा.
Too far from home.
Too far from home, but let me start. जो starting होता है.
You know where I met you?
Sorry?
You remember where I met you?
I remember everything you said. I don't just remember where I met you. I remember everything you've even said.
UNK event पे, right? It's right there. That's UN.
Wow.
मेरे सर के पीछे. How are you?
I'm good. I'm very, very good. And so अब UN के right opposite you stay.
Right up.
Right opposite. Everything in your life is right only. It's the right side of everything. but let me start this show on a lighter note by introducing one of the most prolific chefs, one of the most wonderful human beings. And सच में मुझे पता नहीं था कि शेफ्स भी इतना अच्छा बात करते हैं. When you spoke in the United Nations 2017 में जब आप आके बात कर रहे थे तो हर एक बच्चा चुपचाप आपको सुन रहा था. मैं सोचने लगा saying I wish I learned those skills from you because culinary में तो आप number 1 हो, but I think in speech making also you will give everyone a run for their money. It is a pleasure and a privilege to welcome Rahul Khanna's, Vinod Khanna's
Vikas.
adopted son. With the same dashing good looks and the wonderful food that he makes all the way from New York City. Michelin star, triple Michelin star, 4, 5, 6. आपके लिए नया कुकबुक बनाना पड़ेगा. Chef Vikas Khanna, author of 36 books and a double PhD. Dr. Vikas Khanna, welcome to IIM's Kuch To Karo Na.
Good to be here.
Before I start talking, I want to thank Poonam because she has been really sweet and she has corresponded all this while. And वो मैं रोज कॉल करता हूँ, बहुत तंग करता हूँ, saying शेफ विकास को प्लीज 2 मिनट के लिए लेके आइए. Everyone will smile and see the number of people. At 9 PM, I'm telling you, I've done many lives. So many people don't come on live. और जब मैं चालू, when I started, they said, can you please bring Chef Vikas Khanna immediately? I said he's right on his way and he's coming. So thank you for taking out time and joining us here. I really appreciate it.
I don't do this very often, so. क्योंकि मैं public speaker बिल्कुल भी नहीं हूँ.
ये मैंने खुद देखा है कि आपने 2017 में जो स्पीच दी थी, सब लोग चुपचाप बैठ के सुन रहे थे. एम्बेसडर्स भी चुपचाप बैठ के सुन रहे थे कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो. आप बताइए मुझे, आपका क्वारंटीन कैसे चल रहा है? इन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स द कंडीशन इज वेरी बैड.
Yeah, all night ambulances. Very strange. मुझे पता नहीं. I don't remember going through such kind of trauma in my life before. I've lived through many wars, unstable environments, but this is totally different. Just a few blocks from here, you have all the trailers with the bodies, and that's a way. And every morning you wake up, there's a good news, there's a bad news, but it's so much of uncertainty. Too much of uncertainty. But I decided that we got to stay positive because one thing we cannot buy is time, and we have the time, so we got to use it in the best to our abilities. और fantastic. लगा हुआ हूँ कुछ ना कुछ तो. I'm always. People can say distraction है तो distraction से ही creativity की, but I like to stay little focused. के sometimes I feel art is the one which actually, if you have any kind of art in you, this really helps you to pass through this time. बहुत help करता है वो.
I also tried with आर्ट, बट जो घर पे जो क्रेयॉन्स थे, जो मेरी बहन के क्रेयॉन्स थे, उससे मैंने आर्ट किया. Then my mother took that drawing and she told me, saying, in second standard, one subject which we never let you take was art, because you used to come back with negative marks. मतलब 0 on 10 नहीं, professors used to give you -1.
I disagree. Everyone is a born artist.
But no, tell me, तो आप अपना समय कैसे बिताते हो? What is you're living alone? But one thing that you must not be facing a problem like ordinary people like us. हम लोग को खाना पकाने में बहुत मुश्किल हो जाती है. आपको खाना पकाने में कुछ भी मुश्किल नहीं होती होगी.
I have a lot of pending books because right before this whole epidemic, I was shooting MasterChef in India.
जी.
So we had a lot of restaurant work which was pending. And because when I'm doing MasterChef, I just have to focus on that. And you know, it's a very it takes a lot of time and energy both. So uske baad when I came back to US, I went to Boston and I met a doctor who said that there's a huge pandemic happening in China right now. You've got to stay safe. So Desi bhai ne mujhe bol diya tha. So I think since that time I've almost like 3 weeks total isolation, but I have finished 2 books. Yeah. I have finished
2 books
one.
in 3 weeks. 2 books in 3
मतलब
weeks.
रेसिपी टेस्टिंग बुक तो हुई थी, उनकी रेसिपी टेस्टिंग जो होती है.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
हाँ, I stretch my day to 18 hours, 19 hours.
आपने 36 बुक लिख ली है, 2 और बुक लिख रहे हो. इतनी पुस्तक मैंने पढ़ ली होती तो मैं 12th पास तो हो ही गया होता.
Actually, मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं था किताबें लिखने में. I remember once I had an argument with my father. तो बहुत नालायक बच्चा था. मतलब नालायक की तो वर्ड्स ही नहीं है. जो बच्चा हर क्लास में फेल होता है, 5th में टीचर्स कहते हैं वी कांट टेक केयर ऑफ हिम, यू हैव टू रिपीट. मतलब 4th क्लास रिपीट, 5th क्लास रिपीट, ये हालत थी. तो पापा ने कहा था, मतलब मैं पता नहीं खोता जमे है मतलब. तो मैंने कहा था पापा, हम जैसे लोग किसी किताबें पढ़ते नहीं, हमारी किताबें दुनिया पढ़ती है. तो छितर वेख्या. तो ऐसे देखना 50 किताबा लिखांगा. तो I did books as my promise to him, and I finished 43 books actually. So we work much in advance.
जियो नहीं चलती ना वहाँ अमेरिका में?
मुझे नहीं पता, मैं तो रिलायंस, वो है रिलायंस वाला जियो ना.
हाँ, रिलायंस वाला जियो.
मुझे
यही तो
नहीं.
प्रॉब्लम है विकास.
क्यों?
विकास जी, यही तो प्रॉब्लम है, हर जगह जियो ही जियो है. आप जियो पे नहीं हो तो यही दिक्कत है. but this show is not sponsored by Jio. But this show is not sponsored by Jio.
I have Verizon है मेरे पास. I'm sure it's different. Yeah. हाँ.
Sorry, आप बता रहे थे.
So I feel that one thing which we cannot get back is time. Of course, the people you love, but time is something which is a very high usage currency है, बहुत बड़ी हमारे पास time की. And you know, I can spend this time getting depressed about what's happening around me, or I can utilize that time to create something. And I'm seeing in the novel which I'm writing, this whole atmosphere is really affecting me right now, and it is because, you know, this is a extreme point of humanity where you are subjected to such pain and uncertainty. तो बहुत मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा, and seeing so many friends, losing so many friends, it's and unpredictable. The unpredictability of this is very high.
I think this pandemic has made us reflect on so many things which normally we would not. People like me, I don't think we would reflect so much on so many things. But ये pandemic actually, Bombay में तो हर कोई चीज बंद हो गई है. Quite honestly, everything is shut in Bombay. Is New York also similar? Is everything shut in New York? Is it standstill?
No. Groceries वगैरह तो all supply chains are there. All supply chains. And yeah, but I go out with the gloves and the mask and everything जो मेरे को डॉक्टर ने दिया सब कुछ. Because I also have to be careful, very very careful, because I'm an asthmatic too. So I have to be very careful with this.
So आपने अपना मास्क खुद बनाया घर पे?
नहीं, मेरे को
नहीं
एक तो मेरे पास वो बंडाना था लास्ट कलर का अपना, नीना
हाँ
गुप्ता का, पिंक कलर का।
हाँ
एक तो
हाँ
एक तो वो है मेरे पास। और बाकी तो जस्ट बॉट इट फ्रॉम द ग्रोसरी स्टोर।
आपने
हाँ,
बहुत ही अच्छा पिक्चर, एक बहुत ही अच्छी पिक्चर बनाई थी नीना गुप्ता जी के साथ, which we had the good fortune of seeing also.
यस।
And if you could throw some light on it, can we see it on OTT platforms right now?
Just give me some time. Just give me some time. But you also have to remember, okay, I'm I'm a working chef, so my hours, my everything, my it's very different than if you're just making a movie. You can focus so much on the movie. But मेरे पास जो lineup, I just made it as because I was moved by a story by a little girl who was a rope walker between Varanasi and Allahabad during Kumbh Mela.
Correct.
So
Correct.
she was the one who really inspired me, who was saving money to go to school. And that is where I started doing this entire thing as a fiction, as a novel, but also based on a reality event which happened when the widows played Holi in 2011 in Varanasi and Vrindavan. So it is also a combination of fiction and reality.
आप तो एक्टिंग, आप प्रोड्यूसिंग कर लेते, डायरेक्टिंग कर लेते, आप शेफ भी हो, होस्ट भी हो, तो आप नीना गुप्ता जी इज हियर. नीना गुप्ता जी saying hello to you, Vikas.
Oh, I love her. Hi, Nina ji.
वो 100 साल जिएगी. We were talking about her movie.
You know, it's unbelievable. Even, you know, when you're doing editing and everything, you got to watch the movie at least 1,000 times. And they're my favorite scenes of Nina ji, which I think she'll also remember. When we were doing the world premiere at Palm Springs, in the last scene when she comes, it's the most beautiful scene I've ever shot in my life. And that scene was actually done by mistake. So Nina ji knows what I'm saying. But that is still one of the most important epic moments of my creative life, about having Nina ji in Varanasi and she turns around in circle or sorry Holi ke rang. So we had almost like, I think 700 किलो हमारे पास पिंक रंग था उस दिन.
700 किलो.
700 के मेरा तो मैथ पाउंड, सॉरी किलो के जो भी था, पर काफी रंग था, बोरियों में आ गया.
700 पाउंड भी बहुत है विकास जी.
मेरा मैथ्स जीरो है मेरा. But it was like brilliant, and you know, she just came to meet the team and all. So we were shooting the Holi ki sequence, and मैं कहना जी एक शॉट अगर कर दो ना, मैं बुक का कवर मिल जाएगा मेरे को. So as we were, and she turned, my God. And I remember because I was so disorganized and I was so nervous कि नीना जी is coming to Varanasi to meet the team, कि उनका रूम तो हमने बुक किया हुआ था बिल्कुल पास में ही, तो लोकेशन के, and we didn't have shampoos for her, we didn't have anything, and I'm like, I still keep apologizing to her for this. But it's a very organic work of art, very heartfelt.
And sometimes the best shots are the ones that are not planned, no?
Oh my God, you know, so Nina ji works on a script, you know, she is like a little student, or जब आप narrate कर रहे होते हो, and when she's in, the camera is turned on, when you say action, it's a different human being you're dealing with. I don't see her after that, then I see just the character. So Noor, character का नाम Noor था, and every time she'll wear a white sari and she'll come. We were not shooting on sets, we were shooting on real locations in Varanasi, on the streets and everything. Ashram, streets, all those things. And oh my God, and when she will improvise something, and she doesn't understand that we are not filmmakers, right? So scene चल रहा है, तो एक बहुत ही सुंदर सीन था, सबसे बहुत इमोशनल सीन था. वो छोटी लड़की इनको बोलती है कि कैन आई कॉल यू मदर, तो नीना जी ने कहा यहाँ पे डायलॉग विल वर्क नहीं करेगा मेरे लिए, आई विल जस्ट गिव अ लुक, तू देखना फिर बताना, इफ नॉट वर्किंग देन विल डू इट अगेन. सो शी जस्ट टर्न्स एंड द गर्ल सेज, तब मैं आपको माँ बुला सकती हूँ. And we were 3 people in the room, छोटा सा इतना सा रूम था, and we were all crying. And she turns and me and says, ठीक था क्या एक और करूँ? लेकिन नीना जी इतनी जल्दी शिफ्ट मत हुआ करो, I get a heart attack, because you know the way she gets into that character, it's like it's something else.
But her character in real life is also like that, no? She's a strong, independent woman, यार. मुझे डर लग जाता है, मैं सब लोग से बात कर लेता हूँ, आपसे बात करने में बहुत मजा आता है. नीना जी हेलो बोल, उन्होंने हेलो लिख लिया, मैं थोड़ा डर गया, बोला विकास जी को कॉन्वर्सेशन करने दो. She's very
It's a,
very strong, no? Very
but
strong,
she
independent
also
woman.
absolutely, and she is also extremely dedicated. मतलब this level of I believe कि, you know, I'm so disciplined because मेरा work profile ही ऐसा है कि kitchen में you have to be the most disciplined person, the first to go, first last to leave. But when she was on the set, it just was like a different thing altogether.
In the kitchen, I'm the last one to enter when the food is being made, and the first one to enter once the food is made. but आप बताइए 18-19 घंटा आप क्या कर लेते हैं विकास जी? You spend 18 to 19 hours today and just normally 18-19 घंटा क्या करते हैं आप दिन
We are
भर?
also having some. अभी तो we are working on some supply chains for testing kits and masks and PPE kits. अभी तो yeah, अभी राशन क्या हो रहा है अभी issue in some locations. It's becoming very difficult to get the rations. So I'm going to tweet about that. And I'm really thankful to all the people on Twitter who are actually helping me to connect to so many dots. And अभी राशन issue हो रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा जगहों पे, कई जगह पे इंडिया के. I just feel that my mom is in India, and that's I'm living a speck of my life. So Mama ne to kaha she'll log in, but I don't know. But last time I did this was the first time I did with Veer Sangvi, in which I was cooking. So
Oh my God.
and then we committed to you. But this is thank you.
You're so sweet. My mother is also logged in and she's watching this. वो हर कोई लाइव नहीं देखती. आज उन्होंने मुझे पूछा कि विकास जी when is he coming? I want to see it. तो मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे लिंक दो. कौन सा है लिंक? मुझे देखना है. I think you have everyone's
you.
heart, and that is why I'm so glad that you've come here.
Thank you.
आधे लोग जो मास्टर शेफ, मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ सच में, आधे लोग मास्टर शेफ देखते हैं, आप हो उसके लिए देखते हैं. किसी को भी पूछ लो जो ऑनलाइन है ना. माय मदर इज सेंडिंग लव स्ट्रक, लुक आउट देयर. इफ माय फादर इज वाचिंग देयर बी अ बिग फाइट इन द हाउस.
There's so many people who are like comedians and meme makers, and people are just helping us, you know, in so many ways. You know, I was never addicted to all these things, but now it is. I remember the other day, it was a very dark day for me. Morning, got up, all the timelines, all my people trying to tell me that something happened to someone very dear to me who worked with me. And then, you know, as I was still waking up उस time पे, so I saw this, somebody had sent me a little video of this girl who does this kind of different characters, Saloni, and that was the only time I smiled in that day. It was such a difficult day for me, but I just feel that there are people who are really helping us to lighten हमारे moments in the day. I just feel that.
विकास जी, today you are going to smile or are you not going to smile? Smile तो करना पड़ेगा.
Of course I'm going to smile. I was smiling that day also. So but because I know that, you know, when you're working with people, you have to keep a high spirit.
And the second part of this, the second part of what we do is called Tum Bhi Karo Na. Okay, so the second part of what we do in this conversation is called Tum Bhi Karo Na. तो Tum Bhi Karo Na में घर बैठे बैठे हम लोग जब खाना पकाते हैं, जैसे जब मैं तो कोशिश करता हूँ खाना पकाने की, जब मैं, जैसे मैंने बताया आपको, मैं किचन में जाता हूँ जब खाना बन जाता है. पर एक बार मैंने ट्राई किया था खाना बनाने को, एंड देन the only person who ate that food is talking to you on screen right now. तो आप बताइए, ये सिली सा क्वेश्चन है. मैं जब चपाती बनाने की कोशिश करता हूँ तो गोल चपाती बनती नहीं है. What is the secret to making round chapatis?
राउंड चपाती, अरे अब मैं टेक्निकल बोलूंगा तो सब कहते हैं सर बहुत बोर करते हो आप. I think round chapati is, first of all, it's an amazing technique because it's a technique of pressure. Evenness is a technique of pressure. How do you give pressure to that ball that it becomes flattened evenly throughout? And second thing is that, you know, keeping it even in the thickness. एक चपाती की thickness should be 1/8 of an inch. But I feel the thing is that when you are pressing, most of the people keep pressing in the middle because it's a human nature that we just focus on the center of it. But the
बराबर
even spread, if you see the way women cook or men cook who are trained, कितना even वो बनाते हैं, it's amazing. And
हाँ वही ना
I just feel, but it's just a practice. It can't be rocket science. It cannot be rocket science because it's only matter of practice, nothing else.
मतलब ये आपने जो जैसे समझाया बहुत अच्छा था, but pressure on my the amount of pressure, you can see the sweat drop. That is,
अच्छा जी.
and but that is because it's very hot in Bombay and my air conditioner is not working and there is nobody who can come and fix it.
Oh,
but
yeah.
but आप घर बैठे जब लोग खाना बनाते हैं, what is the one thing that they can make in the easiest way? One dish that you can recommend which is staple diet for young people?
I just think there's very forgiving dish which I feel is a very forgiving dish is khichdi, a Gujarati style or Maharashtrian style or North Indian style,
No, Gujarat,
UP style.
Vikas ji, it is Gujarati.
खिचड़ी बहुत
It is Gujarati. It's Gujarati style. Gujarati.
गुजराती स्टाइल. हाँ, तो बहुत forgiving है वो, मेरी भी मामा फेवरेट है. But बहुत forgiving है खिचड़ी. Khichdi is just one pot cooking where you put everything together and you can serve it in the same bowl or pot. I just feel it's really a forgiving dish. It's like a हमारा हिंदुस्तानी risotto. But I just feel बहुत ज़्यादा एक हमारा comfort food के साथ साथ एक बहुत forgiving dish है because it doesn't demand too much from you. It doesn't demand it is difficult to make. A good khichdi is extremely technical, but it is still forgiving because उसके कई versions of उसके cousins are very forgiving. तो उसकी वजह से थोड़ी help होती है हमको. Cooking is pure art. It's a extreme symbolism of our culture. But art की वजह से I feel that even when I'm doing a small dish, we were just and any dish I put on my social media or anything that has gone through at least 10 or 15 layers of testing. कि अगर वो रेस्टोरेंट जानी है कहीं पे किताब में जानी है, you got to keep doing it till you don't get it wrong. आंखें बंद करके. It could be a simple dish. So अभी कुछ दिनों में I'm gonna put out paneer bhurji. So when I was doing the first drafts, I sent it to mom. Always a ritual. Mama is like, मैं ये नहीं खा सकती. मतलब भुर्जी है, मतलब भुर्जी बनाई है ये. And I feel call you and feel like भुर्जी पे इतनी मेहनत. I just feel, of course, भुर्जी बनानी ही मुश्किल है पहले technically. But वो भुर्जी को, how do you take cuisine to the next level of representation? People have seen 100,000 bhurjis in their life, but aapki bhurji is different. You put so much effort into it and so much of clarity of thought and taste and flavors combinations, and it has to be that one bhurji people will think कि भैया मतलब बनाई तो भुर्जी थी, पर कितनी इतनी मेहनत. मम्मा ये बोलता है इतनी मेहनत एक डिश के लिए.
But cooking is an art. Correct, cooking is an art.
Practice science, both science. But if it's art, it's very difficult to run restaurants. अगर आप सिर्फ art की बात करते हैं, let me correct this. If you just talk about art, then it's very difficult to run a restaurant because everybody's painting has to be the same, right?
Correct.
So you've got to develop it into total science. You've got to measure things as it's an art of time, space, management, and most importantly, it's a training. You got to practice.
So ये art भी है, science भी है, commerce भी है.
Commerce तो पता नहीं मेरे को, पर मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं अभी तक commerce के बारे में. It's like at this age also and almost turning 50, I've never thought of it as a commerce because it's very sacred for me. अभी तक मैंने नहीं focus किया कि let me expand and do it as an art form.
This is why your food, मैं सच में बोलूं, your food and the food of other people. You had a very popular restaurant. You were a part of a very popular restaurant for some time in New York City. मैं जब आया था आपको नहीं बोला था, but I used to go there and I used to eat whenever I went to New York City. Now when you are not there, if I ever go back, the food is not the same. मैं गया, मैंने पूछा.
No, it's of course it's even better. It's even better.
So,
I see so many
and
people
and
working on it. Yeah.
and that is what I'm saying. The person, the man that you are, you put your heart in the food, and the way to a man's heart is always the food. So you can catch the heart every time.
बहुत मुश्किल equation है. In when you're running big restaurants, you know, you are doing 200, 300 dinners a night or anything, and you'll be surprised at how one mistake can pull you down. One mistake. एक छोटी सी गलती आपकी डाइनर की, और गलती आपकी भी नहीं है. एक could be server, could be receptionist, could be the person who made the reservation. एक छोटी सी गलती के साथ the dining experience. It's a तभी मैं कहता हूँ कि बहुत बड़ी मैनेजमेंट है कुकिंग. वो सिर्फ प्लेट की बात नहीं कर रहे आप टोटल एटमोस्फेयर जो आप क्रिएट करते हो लाइक अ थिएटर, उसकी बात कर रहे हो. बहुत बड़ा थिएट्रिकल एक्सपीरियंस है कुकिंग.
तो मैं बिल्कुल भी कभी लाइफ में कुकिंग नहीं करूंगा, बिकॉज थिएटर प्लस आर्ट प्लस साइंस, तो ये तीनों चीज जरूरी है, प्लस कुकिंग जरूरी है. तो माफ कीजिए, आई एम नेवर गोइंग टू ट्राई दिस. बट लेट मी आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन. आप रहमान सर के साथ यू वेंट टू राष्ट्रपति भवन वेरी रिसेंटली, और आप ज्यादा करके कुछ
I didn't go with him.
No, you were invited from on behalf by the president to राष्ट्रपति भवन.
अच्छा, मेरे को लगा उनके साथ, तो उनके साथ नहीं गया था, मैं लग गया था, वो लग गया था. हाँ.
I know that because he told me about this, saying that I was standing next to Vikas ji, and I said such a small world, but Vikas ji never speaks about many things like this. You don't publicize a lot. One of the things I want to ask you is, how was that experience? Donald Trump was there, Narendra Modi ji was there, you were there. People like me were not there. So the experience would have been good. But what is the one thing that you take back from that memory?
I think it's also interesting that they decided to have a single table where, you know, it's the world's most powerful leader sitting. Uspe they decided to invite two artists. एक म्यूजिक represent कर रहा है, एक इंडियन खाना represent कर रहा है. You know, it's a big change. I must tell you this. This is a big change from where we started from. 20 years ago or even 12 years ago, मैंने कभी नहीं देखा था invites ऐसे. I think it was the first thing which opened the doors for chefs like myself, or when former First Lady Michelle Obama and President Barack Obama, when they would always find a way to include me and Indian food. And तो एक नया conversation, एक नया discussion शुरू हुआ था उसके साथ. But they don't know actually how hard it can be, you know, when you're climbing that. बहुत मुश्किल होता है because people would keep questioning, but why are you inviting? It's just a curry chef. And I'm like, but curry नहीं बहुत Indian का. But then you give people this liberty of not, if somebody is not aware of a cuisine or something, you don't take it against them. You just say that, you know, it's a matter of time. Once you'll have a proper Indian food, you're going to fall in love with it. And that's what kept me very positive.
One of the biggest ambassadors of India for me is not Bollywood alone, but along with Bollywood, if there is a greater ambassador of India and India soft power, I think it is Indian cuisine.
Oh, absolutely.
आप कोई भी जगह आप जाओ ब्राजील से लेके आप पोलैंड तक और ऑस्ट्रेलिया से लेके अलास्का तक, हर जगह आप जाओ, you find an Indian restaurant. Do you think Indian food is one of the greatest ambassadors for India? Absolutely.
इतनी diversity खाने में, इतना character, इतना ज़्यादा difficulties to achieve a proper balance. This is really a difficult cuisine. I must tell you that. You know, I was trained in French kitchens. So, you know, hotel management किया, mostly we were trained in French cooking. But I was also trained in Paris. मुझे लगता था कि जो difficulties और complexities हमारी हैं खाने की, and to achieve that right in its simplicity and beauty, it's very difficult. And to do that, because Indian khana, still the greatest Indian food is still not in Indian restaurants, fortunately or unfortunately, it's still in Indian homes. वो हमको, so my benchmark would always be if somebody is eating in Kinara, would this be able to tell them that, you know, this is also, there's a hint of home cooking. There's a hint. बहुत मुश्किल है वो अचीव करना, बहुत मुश्किल है. हम लोग भी, you know, it's a very big challenge, and because of the cuisine's complexity. See, I was born in North, but most of my training happened in South. So मेरे लिए काफी मुश्किल था ये balance, which was very fortunate to be able to, at a very young age, to be exposed to Bengal and to be very young age to be exposed to Rajasthani cuisine or Maharashtrian or Gujarati cuisines. मेरे लिए बहुत ये मैं कैसे बता सकता हूँ? This is a very difficult thing to express because when we were growing up, there was no internet. So we had
Correct.
no access to any information. There were no access to books, nothing. I
Right.
remember reading Kamla Bai Ogle for the first time. She was the legendary Maharashtrian
Ji.
home cook, and she had a
Ji.
nickname. At that age and at that time when there was no social media, everything. When I saw her book in college, I went crazy because that was my first introduction to Maharashtrian Khana. So our sensibility and our training comes from traveling. It doesn't come from internet. Internet से तो अभी convenience हो गई है information
जी.
की.
So आप
Every-
basically आप basically North India में you were born, South India में you were trained, French cooking, French Paris में you were taught cooking and culinary arts, and
I worked in Paris.
you
I
worked in Paris,
but
and then
when you do hotel management, you are basically learning French or European continental cuisine and the basic format of that. So आपको वही सिखाया जाता है because
and then after that you went to New York and to Dubai and to different places across the world and popularized Indian cuisine. Abhi, now when I said that Indian cuisine is an ambassador for India, I think we can safely say that Chef Vikas Khanna is an ambassador for India outside of India.
नहीं यार बहुत लोग हैं. You'll be surprised.
बहुत लोग हैं, पर बहुत लोग आपके सिंसेरिटी के साथ नहीं. मैं बहुत शेफ को परेशान नहीं करता हूँ ना, मैं आपको तंग करता हूँ.
But मैं हूँ भी accessible. I decided that there's a certain thing with the chefs which I was very similar. Okay, not talking, not doing anything, have a wall between you and the steel kitchen. But it was a very difficult thing because when you had to go out and talk about the food, na अंग्रेजी आती ना कुछ आता. But it's a challenging job. It is a challenging job because one small mistake and people take it against the country. You think, no, Indian food is not good because they didn't get that fine dining, fine experience. And suddenly people tag a country's name. So you have to be not representing yourself or your last name or your city. You represent a nation. So it's a big, big, big shoe to fill in.
And on that note, let me take you to the last and final part of what I have to talk to you. The nation wants to know, 21-day lockdown था भारत में, तो हम लोग ने 21 क्वेश्चन पहले रैपिड फायर में प्रिपेयर किए थे. बाद में जब मैं 21 क्वेश्चन पूछने जाता था, तो 5वें क्वेश्चन में जो आपका फेशियल रिएक्शन हो जाता था लोगों का, उसके बाद में 6ठे क्वेश्चन बंद कर देता था. On the 6th question, I used to stop it. So I will ask you 5 questions in rapid fire. You have to answer honestly. We want to honestly know about Chef Vikas Khanna in a light-hearted, fun 5 questions. Can I start?
जी
बिल्कुल. तो पहला सवाल आपके लिए, your favorite dish to eat.
मेरी दादी के मेथी आलू या फिर लंगर की दाल. 2 things.
बढ़िया है. Second question, who is your inspiration?
Mom.
Third question, I think your mother, Chef Vikas, I think your mother was there. People were saying that your mother is watching.
Yeah.
I don't know whether she is watching, but I think she was watching. The third question, if you got one secret superpower, if you had one secret superpower from any fictional character, which superpower would that be?
मुझे हंगर पिल करनी है क्रिएट. मुझे हंगर पिल क्रिएट करनी है अपनी लाइफ टाइम में, कुछ ऐसी चीज
जो खा के पेट भर जाए,
जिसमें सब कुछ हो.
And to make it accessible to everyone. I'm guessing that is the. Now you see why I'm troubling you. Why I trouble you every time. Fourth question that I want to ask you is, according to you, who is the most famous or your favorite? Let's change the question. Who is your favorite Indian ambassador outside of India for India?
Oh my God, कितने ज़्यादा हैं ये. I think if you know about Gagan Anand, the chef.
Of course. Of
He's
course.
such an ambassador to India. Vineet Bhatia, Atul Kochar. Oh my God, मेरी तो list चलती रहेगी. But these are the people in my field who have excelled so much that this is something else. You know, even if we are talking about chefs who are representing the country. Even my chef Ashish, who is my head chef at Dubai restaurant, I just feel that they take this as a patriotism. This is their form of
Correct.
patriotism.
मैं ये वीडियो क्लिप सेव करके शेफ गगन को भेजने वाला हूँ और बोलूंगा मैं बोलूंगा that शेफ विकास खन्ना recommended. बट लास्ट क्वेश्चन, सबसे आखिरी क्वेश्चन, आपकी मुलाकात मेरे साथ पहली बार हुई थी न्यूयॉर्क सिटी में, आपके शहर में, यूएन हेडक्वार्टर्स में, और उसके बाद मुलाकात होने के बाद आप वीडियो में भी थे एंड नाउ यू स्पेंड टाइम विद अस आउट हियर आल्सो. सो आई वांट टू आस्क यू दिस $1 million क्वेश्चन. आप सही जवाब देंगे तो मैं $1 million जिम्बाब्वियन डॉलर्स आपके बैंक अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर दूंगा. द क्वेश्चन इज, which is your favorite platform to address young people? There are two options. There are two options. One option is called India's International Movement to Unite Nations. And second option is called IIMUN.
पहला वाला. I'm with you guys. Thank you so much for doing amazing job. I've got to go. I love you. Thank you very much for doing this.
मैं मजाक कर रहा था and I hope you took the conversation in a light-hearted manner.
I love it. I love it. Thank you very much for doing this. Thank you.
Thank you so much for being there, chef. Let me end this by just saying one thing. When you have a conversation with a knowledgeable person, it is as good as reading 100 books. आपके साथ बातचीत करने के बाद वो जो 40 बुक आपने लिखी है वो मैं नहीं पढ़ने वाला हूँ, क्योंकि आपसे बात हो गई.
Thank you. All the, you can regards to your parents. Take care.
Take care. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
chef.